afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Have a seat.
Thank you.
Today is great. I saw a lot of customer coming along. Who's gonna report first? Me, sir. Okay, proceed. So far, so good. The operation is going well because of the new customer that's coming every day. And our agents are estimating them well. We exceeded our quota. That's good news. Have you tried Contact School? They have been conducting several tours. Yes, sir. In fact, we're now in the process of negotiating with some school, and we're doing our best to get the deal. How many schools you're dealing with? We have 20 in the list, sir. Were they all college? No, sir. 15 is universities and 5 colleges only. That's a great number. Do everything to work it out. Good luck to your group. Miss Wendy, there's something.
Thank you, sir.
Good job! What about the performance of our employees?
They've been working hard and they love their job. None of them were absent or late.
I'm happy to hear that. With regard to their bonus, please prepare for it and put on my table as soon as you finish.
Okay, sir, I will.
What about our safety and security?
Our assigned guard were doing his job perfectly, and he's implementing the no check-up, no entry policy, sir.
That's good. Better be safe than sorry. I'm happy with your report and performance. Sir, with regards to recommendation of employee, I'd like to present and recommend Miss Karina Hular for promotion. She's been doing her job well, and she deserves to be promoted. Let's put the necessary papers on my table so I can review it. Miss Wendy, any recommendations?
Yes, sir. I recommend to hire another employee so we could increase our customers. We will be assigning an outer agent, and I'd want also to recommend Lani Adamas for the position.
If that's the case, please do so. And if Mr. Adamas fits the position, let him undergo the procedure. If that will be all, we're dismissed. And thank you, by the way. Please be advised that if he's still having a very good performance this year, I'll be giving beach party for everyone. And there any recommendation for your unit?
We just have a few booking and flight cancellations to Tokyo as a result of earthquake and tsunami. Miss Wendy is coordinating with the airlines regarding the refund.
Yes, sir. We have advised the airlines concerned about the cancellation, and we have requested for the proper crediting of the refund.
Okay, Wendy. Thanks for taking care of that. Any other news or concern with your unit?
I am just awaiting for the quotation for the upgrading of our computer's hardware, sir. I'll submit to you my recommendations upon receipt of the different quotations.
Okay, I will wait for that. Anyway, I just want to thank you and your staff for all the hard work and support you are giving this company. I think we are a good team. Please approach me anytime you need my support, okay? That's it for now. Thank you for your time.
Okay, sir, thanks.
I know how to make them stop and stare as I zone out. The club can't even handle me right now. Watching me, I go all out. The club can't even handle me right now. The club can't even handle me right now.
Can't nothing handle me right now. I see you, get-getter. Let's get 'em. Hey, I own the night and I don't need no help. Gotta be the bitterness, Scarface, pale. Starting going wild, can't handle this player. Back for the club. up, arrogant like yeah. Top like money, so the girls just mail. One too many, y'all know me like 12. Look like cash and they all just there. Bottles, models, better no shares. Fall out, cause that's the business. All out is so ridiculous. Zone out, so much attention. Scream out, I'm in the building. They're watching, I know this. I'm rocking, I'm rolling, I'm holding. I know it, you know it.
You know I know how to make them stop and stare as I zone out. The club can't even handle me right now. Watching you, watching me, I go all out. The club can't even handle me right now. The club can't even handle me right now.
Hey, still feeling myself, I'm like out of control. Can't stop now, more shots, let's go. 10 more rounds till I get a KO. Pop around, she tryna make me pull. Came to party till I can't